Dear student, in this lecture video, we studied about the introduction to gas turbine power plant, merits and demerits of gas turbine power plant, and selection of site of gas turbine power plant. Before we studied about the introduction to gas turbine power plant, what is gas turbine? The gas turbine is nothing but an engine at the heart of the power plant that produces electric current. The gas turbine is the combination of engine that can convert natural gas or other liquid fuels to mechanical energy. This mechanical energy drives the generator because the engine gas turbine is mechanically coupled with the generator. The generator produces electrical energy. It is the electrical energy that moves along the power lines to homes, business, industrial, etc. Then, how the gas generator produces electricity? Suppose to generate electricity, the gas turbine heats a mixture of air and fuel at very high temperatures, which causes the turbine blades to spin. The spinning turbine drives a generator that converts mechanical energy into electricity. The gas turbine can be used in the combination with the steam turbine in a combined cycle power plant, which is used to create the power extremely efficiently. Then air fuel mixer ignites. That is, the gas turbine compresses air and mixes it with fuel that is the fuel burnt at extremely high temperatures, which is creating a hot gas. The hot gas spins turbine blades. That is, the hot air and fuel mixer moves through blades in the turbine, which is causing them to spin quickly. Then spinning blades turn the drive shaft. That is, the fast spinning turbine blades rotate the turbine drive shaft. The turbine rotation powers the generator. That is, the spinning turbine is connected to the rod in the generator that turns a large magnet surrounded by the coil of copper wire. The generator magnet causes electrons to move and creates electricity. That is, the fast revolving generator magnet creates a powerful magnetic field that lights up the electrons around the copper coils and causes them to move. The movement of these electrons through a wire is electricity. Now we studied about what is the difference between the gas turbine power plant and steam turbine power plant. That is, the difference between gas turbine and steam turbine. The fundamental working principle of gas turbine power plant is same as that of the steam turbine power plant. The only difference is that in steam turbine power plant, we use compressed steam to rotate the steam turbine, but in the gas turbine power plant, we use compressed air to turn the gas turbine. This is the major difference between the gas turbine power plant and steam turbine power plant. Now we studied about introduction to gas turbine power plant. In the gas turbine power plant, the natural gas is used as a primary fuel. When it is mixed with hot air and it burnt inside the combustion chamber, the hot gases are produced. These hot gases of combustion under pressure are passed over the blades of the gas turbine. The heat energy of the gases gets transformed into the mechanical energy. That is, the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy with the help of gas turbine. The alternator coupled to the gas turbine, which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. In the continuation of introduction, the air compressor sucks the air and compresses it and thereby increases its pressure. The compressed air combines with the fuel and the resulting mixture is burnt. Greater the pressure of air, better fuel mixture burns in the gas turbine power plant. The fuel may be used in the gas turbine power plant such as liquid, gas fuel or solid fuel. The gas turbines are not self-starting because the starting motor is required to start the gas turbine. Therefore, the mechanism of power generation is practically similar to that in the diesel power plant and steam power plant, that is thermal power plant. Now we studied about the merits of gas turbine power plant. The gas turbine power plant is simple in construction. There is no need for boiler, condenser, etc. Cheaper fuels such as kerosene, paraffin, benzene and powered coal can be used as a fuel in the gas turbine power plant for generation of electricity, which are cheaper than the petrol and diesel. The capital cost is quite low, because fuel cost is less. The design and the erection of the power plant are very simple. The space required for the gas power plant is comparatively small compared to other types of power plants. It can be quickly started as compared to steam power plant. In the continuation of merits of gas turbine power plant, the fuel consumption is low during the starting and shutdowning the power plant. The storage of fuel requires less area and handling is very easy. The maintenance cost is very less. No heavy foundation is required for the installation of gas turbine power plant. The less pollution and the water requirement. The plant of the gas power plant offers a high degree of reliability compared to other types of power plants. Now we studied the demerits of gas turbine power plant. The gas turbine power plant has low thermal efficiency because 60% of the power developed by the power plant is used for driving the compressor. The special metals and alloys are used for various parts of the gas turbine because high temperature and running speed operation. The main problem with the gas turbine power plant is the compressor should be started before the power plant starts, which requires the additional extra driving power required to start the gas turbine. In the continuation of demerits of the power plant, the operation of the gas power plant is noisy because we are using compressor, generator, turbine. A part of the developed power is consumed by the compressor, which reduces the overall efficiency of the power plant. The cost of fuel is comparatively high. The thermal efficiency is very poor. Only the limited quantum of the power can be generated by the gas power plant. The operating cost of the gas turbine power plant are very high as compared to steam power plant. The gas turbine power plant can be used only in small sizes, that is around 50 megawatt. Now we studied about the selection of site. What is mean by selection of site? Some factors to be considered before the selection of gas turbine power plant. The first factor is distance from the load center. That is, the gas power plant is always located away from the load center. Okay. what happened, the transmission cost and then the transmission losses are more. So therefore the gas power plant is located near the load center, then we avoid the transmission losses and the transmission cost. Then availability of the load, we have to purchase the land with a cheap rate only, that is the land should be available for the cheap rates. Then the availability of the fuel, the fuel should be easily available at a reasonable rate. Then next we consider the availability of transportation facilities, because the power plant is located away from the populated area and then nearer to the load center, so therefore the transportation facilities is required. Distance from the populated area, that is the gas power plant is located away from the populated area because of noise operation, the noise produced by compressor, turbine and generator type. Then next the last factor is type of land. The land should be selected for high bearing capacity to withstand the load of the plant and also the vibration transmitted to the foundation from the compressor and turbines. Dear students, I hope that in this lecture video you clearly understood the concept of what is gas turbine, how the electricity produced by the gas generator, what is the introduction to gas turbine power plant, what is the merits and demerits of the gas turbine power plant, and then what are the factors to be considered before the selection of gas turbine power plant and the installation of the gas turbine power plant. Thank you student for listening this video.